Hi, my name is Anjum. Today I'm talking about 7 reasons why blogging is not dead. Today topic is a very interesting. People think that blogging is dead, and we talk about why blogging is not dead. If you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Number one is a search engine. If you have a Google anything the last week, that proof blogging is not dead. The people are still searching, the people are still looking for answer. Blogging is not going to dead in the future also, because as a human we have a many question answer to want. Every time new idea we search for it, every time we have a new information, new word we search for it. When every we put our keyword to search engine is going to show us about it. The people are myth. The people think is a myth that social media is increasing their market. It's a true that social media is increasing their market. It's increasing their volume. They have a very new techniques of engaging people, but still market need a search, and people are watching video format. Every information available in a video format. The good thing is now still people missing that search engine also show a result of social media, means that they emerge it when it people still find it from a search engine. And the blogging format also changing. Now I see in day by day that by blogging format also change in a website platform. The people making a video format like this one, and then they do a transcript in their blogs. So they also use a combination of blogging, and they also use a combination of video and words like a transcript. Second thing is still people still reading. The leaders are reader and readers are leaders. A famous quote also apply on a blogging. The 77% people are still reading in a blog in 2020. The science showed that the people are still connected with the reading habits, and they want to learn a knowledge still enough from words. The market shows a potential of people reading stuff, and is also a big reason that the future is still worth of blogging. Third one is a source of valuable content. Content is a king, and they are driven to form a market demand that the people want a source of valuable content to increase their knowledge, information, research. People have a demand in a market that they want a valuable content, and blogger is a still a person that know to good to deliver a good value of a content to their audience. They go to a deep research it and then write a content to give a high quality content to their audience. A blogger, those people write their content around specific niche, and this type of content can get value to reader. Like that, if you are in a fitness and you in an expert in a fitness, and you write a lot of content around fitness, and after some time your blogging is in top on the fitness niche. When the reader acknowledge blogger content, they still loyal to them. They read other content also. If you are specific to niche and go to other stuff, check out which blog is they interested in, and what other content they produce the blogger. And the blogger have a hope to still write and expand their knowledge on a specific niche. The expert to one niche is also impress audience, and they prefer to take knowledge for as a compared to beginner. Means that when do you become an expert in a particular field, it's a necessity that the people are, you are the leaders in the market and people are following. Number 4, organic traffic source. Everybody are like an organic traffic source. The paid are going to expensive and moving to going to still expensive. Still people are looking for organic way to approach grow our traffic sources. The blogging gives us a way to build a valuable content around our niche, and the target audience are searching for it. By doing this, they create a huge amount of source which give a better conversion rates compared to paid ads. Paid ads are expensive, they highly demand of time, and they convert less because there's a cold audience. The bloggers have a warm audience. The people who read the blogs, they become a warm, and that easy to convert it. If they are beginner and they go to a review site, then very much high percentage they convert, and the blogger readers are very good traffic sources. The blogging organic traffic established itself, it become remain for many months. If you become a blogging and you target your audience and you become in a ranking, then your blog is still there. The paid ads have a problem, they have a one time, then they gone. And blogging give a constant source of income by automation. The same automation created from ads is also possible. It's not that blogging is have a feature. The paid ad content have also the paid content ads have also very expensive and also need a consistent supervisor to see how it performs. Be a creative, search for new keywords, search for new way to target the audience is a very headache time. Number 5 is a website need a blog. Every website need a blog. Without blog, no website is survive in a long run. The website is still read and judged by a Google. The best way to rank in a Google is using a blog and create content around them. The more content create user friendly, people stay your website, read your blog. The algorithm know that you give a algorithm know that your content is a good, reader stay you, inbound is a low, offbound is low, and then they give you a good reward and increase your chances of ranking, and they much pretty high chances to rank you. If you persistence to write blog to your website, after 6 to 1 year you can get a ranking. It's hard to get a ranking in the start, but when you create a massive content around, then it's show us. The SEO need of website. Every website need a SEO. Without SEO is not rank in a Google. It only possible on page 80%, which means only posting content is give a message to site is fire and people trust them. Smarter Google algorithm was going. The old techniques are working not anymore. Before that, people are going to write a one blog and put every keyword in it. They fill only keywords and they fool the Google algorithm that time. But now Google algorithms are going to smart and crawler are doing very great job. They have read every content database directly, so they know better which person is writing authentic and which person's blog is not authentic. Again, now need a different approach to increase to rank of Google. Number 6, selling product. The blogger is still using to sell a product. Many bloggers sell many good valuable product by writing benefits. I also read many products review, and they are very good review feature of product. They tell what in a feature, what is different from other previous feature, previous phone or smartphone, etc. And also show why you should need and why should not need it. But cons of product also mention. The user get a very great in detail about products, and in return they form their link to give appreciation to blogger. I mean that when somebody read a blog and they have a very happy with your blog value content, they click on their link and you get selling and you get a commission from it. Also, the many company approach to blogger also and ask him to write a premium content about them, and this is also company still want to promote their product by blogging. Bloggers are daily selling ton of products by using their blogging skills. Companies still need a good blogger to promote a product and a service to show the audience to use to solve their problem. Blogger is not going to anywhere. Company need a blogger because there is a huge market for blogger to promote a product and sell a company product. Also company want their reach to audience as social media, so they can't ignore the audience of blogger to not a target and not take benefit from them. Number 7, bloggers are still making money. Yes, this question is most important, that bloggers are still making money in the market. From answer is, of course, many bloggers are making money. There's a debate how much before now, but those are expert in their niche. They target their niche. Though they write content to around their niche, they are still making much higher return as a beginner. Bloggers are those start the difference of experience. When you become an expert in a specific niche, people trust you, they buy your product, they want your services, so they make more money than anybody else is competitor, of course. There another way also for blogger making money by creating own product and promote them. Many bloggers are now switching their business model. First they start with a beginner, they write a content, then they go to affiliate marketing, then they start a specific product, protein or supplement, then they decided they know that the product inside or outside, then what they do, they separate the gap and they start their own product. The affiliate marketing is a whole field, people making a decent amount of commission from it as a blogger. The blogger also doing a great job in a company to write a content. Also, they are as an employee, and company also paying a good salary package for expert blogger. There's a demand also of content writing, and a company need a blog for every. I told you website need a blog, so need a blogger also. The freelancing is another way. If you don't want to do a job, you are entrepreneur, you think you work on entrepreneuring, the selling your skill in a market as a blogger, you as a work as a freelancer, you may still make a money, and you write your blog and you promote yourself. In digital area, there is a many way bloggers still make money and also are making a money in this industry. I hope you like this video. This is my 7 reason why blogging is not dead. If you like this video, please comment me below, and if you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Bye.